Once, every town lived by its own clock. The hour in one city could differ from another, and even neighboring villages marked a different noon. Merchants missed meetings, trains lost their schedule, families stood uncertain when day truly began or ended. Coordination was chaos, and daily life ticked to discord. Without synchronized time, industry struggled. Factories lost hours to confusion. Railways missed connections. Travelers wandered in uncertainty. Telegraph operators hesitated, unsure when to send or receive. Innovation slowed. Progress stumbled. Lack of a shared reference kept the world disjointed. Standardized time brought transformation. Telegraph lines, railroads, and scientific collaboration allowed clocks to align. Schedules finally matched. Time zones were mapped. Humanity moved together, minute by minute, unlocking new possibilities for coordination and growth. Industry thrived as schedules unified. Factories ran smoothly, machines operated in harmony, and railways connected whole continents. Electric grids pulsed with precision, cities flourished, and global communication became reliable. The modern world emerged, built upon the foundation of shared time.